Measurable residual disease, MRD, in acute myeloid leukemia is increasingly prominent area of research, but can be actually used for many different things in theory. And I think one of the additional layers of sophistication we're getting to now is that actually there may be different incentives and different use cases for the phenomenon of MRD testing. And so you can imagine you can use AML MRD to see how well a therapy has worked, to track your patient in remission for risk of relapse, to personalize a therapy, or to enrich your clinical trial population for patients at the greatest risk. But the fifth possibility is you could use MRD testing results as a way to receive regulatory approval in a drug development space. And that's arguably the most challenging indication for MRD testing in AML, but one that's increasing both academic and industry interest in. So I think this is an area where the science is clear, but to have the next steps for clinical translation is going to take a concerted effort beyond our usual scope of translational research in academic medicine. And so it's been really important to build consortium of partners for this rare disease, working closely with the Food and Drug Administration, industry partners, both on the device and the pharmaceutical industry side, and with academic collaborators throughout a range. And so this has been under the auspices of the foundation of the NIH initiative, which is a congressionally mandated charity, to push forward a biomarker consortium. Separately, we also have the transplant community has come together in the Measure Consortium. And the Measure Consortium is a group of 18 transplant centers generating the clinical protocol evidence to prospectively validate the use of MRD in patients with AML going to allotransplant.